Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today I am going to show you how, with just few clicks, you can easily create a gaming website and even monetize it. I will also share a few tips on getting the right domain and hosting, so make sure to watch till the end. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, you will need a domain and hosting. I am assuming you already have them. But if not, no worries. I have added a link in the description where you can get the high quality hosting that also include a free top level domain. This hosting I recommend is very beginner friendly with easy setup and a clean dashboard. Comes with 24/7 customer service ready to help whenever you need. Include pre-SSL certificates for extra security, supports one-click installations for WordPress and other apps, provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you full peace of mind, and often offers huge discounts and special bundle deals. We are ready to move on to building the gaming website. After logging into your hosting account, the next step is to connect your domain. For today's video, I'll be using a subdomain as an example, although in your case, you can do it directly to your domain. Now you'll find domain path inside your hosting. After creating the subdomain here, we will need to set up the database for this website. Most hosting providers offer a database wizard to make it easy. If not, you can still create it manually. The process is very similar. Create a dashboard and make sure to save these details somewhere else. Database name, database username, and the database password. We will need this later. Once your database is ready, don't forget to assign all MySQL privileges to the database user. Now let's move back to your domain's file manager in hosting. You might see some exciting files here, so just delete them. In my case here, I have some files there, so I delete it. But in your case, you maybe see it's blank. Anyway, in next step, you will need to upload a zip file here. I'll provide you. You can check in the first comment or in video description. Anyway, after uploading the zip file, you need to unzip right here. Once unzip, you can delete the original zip file, and if needed, move all the extracted files to the main domain folder. Okay. Now visit your domain URL. You should see an installation page asking you to accept their terms. Make sure all system requirements are checked as allowed. If anything isn't checked, it usually means there's a problem with the database. You might need to recreate it carefully. On the installation page, set the SQL hostname to localhost. Fill your database name, username, and the password, the ones you saved earlier. Remember? Set a website title, name, and create an admin username and a strong admin password. Make sure to differentiate it from your database password and at least 8 characters long, okay? Then install it. Congratulations, your gaming website is now live with tons of games here already available. You will see some different categories for game here. You can even test the game right away.
Headshot. Headshot.
Now log into your admin panel like this. First, delete the installation folder from your hosting to keep your site secure. Then head over to setting Here you can change your site title, upload a logo, edit your site description, and even improve your SEO setting. You can add more games, delete games, and feature specific games you want on your homepage. Make sure you also create important pages like About Us, Contact Us, Terms and Condition Privacy Policy page. Under the advertisement menu, you can place codes from platforms like Google AdSense, AdStar, Montage to start making money from your website. Now, here's the important tip for you guys. While making this gaming website, you need to avoid low quality domain extensions like .tk or .xyz or .me. So this not going to work for you. Often cause problem like a games not loading properly and it's showing you blank. So always choose a good top level domain like .com, .net or .io or .j like this. Use relatable hosting for better performance. If you want, you can check out the hosting service linked below. It's a great choice for beginners and professionals like. So that's all for today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Also comment below if you have any questions or want me to make a video on something specific. So see you in the next video. Bye.